Welcome to our channel where we provide professional technical support and tutorials. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to make a one-page landscape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document you want to modify. At the top of the screen, click on the Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, click on the small arrow icon in the bottom right corner. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. In the Page Setup dialog box, switch to the Margins tab. Under the Orientation section, select Landscape from the drop-down menu. Now go to the Paper tab in the same dialog box. Here you can select the paper size you prefer for your landscape page. Make sure the dimensions match your requirements. Click OK to save the changes and apply the landscape orientation to your document. Congratulations! You have successfully made your document one-page landscape in Microsoft Word. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.